Hi guys, this is Abhishek from gadgets.com, and today we are going to test the ANS navigation app which we have on this device as of now. We are going to use this app for navigation, and let's see how does the overall navigation work on this device with this application. So this is how the interface of the application will look like. As you can see, it can show you the current map as per your location. So we have located a venue as of now, and we are going through the ring road in Delhi, and it is giving us the right coordinates as of now, as you can see. And sorry for the shaky video, this is because of the high speed at which we are going as of now. And still at this high speed, it is actually tracking the location pretty well without any issues. It is also giving us the distance from our location which we have actually searched on this application, and it is also telling us how much time it is left, and it will also tell you the arrival time as well if you go as per this speed. It gives you a lot more other data as well. Let me just show you the interface. So you have the My Route interface option over here, which will give you all this data. You can actually edit the route as per your requirement with this application. As you can see, you can cancel the route as well. Here you can actually find a specific address. You can also locate a specific house address as well with all this information by entering the country, city, zip code and all those things. You can also enter a house number in case you want to locate a house. You have the option of finding the places, which gives you two kind of searches. One is the quick search, the other one is a custom search. You can actually find a gas station, a parking, a restaurant, an accommodation, or a hotel basically. And you do have Google local search as well, which will again give you more data as per the Google database is for that particular location if you use the search. So it will use Google to search in that case. And when I go to the settings, you do have the option of sound and warning. You can customize the quick menu. You also have the option of online traffic. Basically you can get information about the traffic data as well. And you do have map settings as well, which you can control. You can specify the view mode to 3D or 2D, whatever that is. As of now it is 2D. You can specify it to 3D as well, in which you can view some buildings as well as per the route at which you are going. So right now we are going adjacent to the Vijay Ghat. It is showing the right location. We have specified our destination as ISPT, so it will take us to that. So this navigation apps work really well on iPhone. This application is also available on Android, and it works really well. It helps you find the address pretty quickly. It does give you the suggestion as well whenever you are finding a specific address, for example places. If I type, for example, IND, wait, so it will give you all these suggestions as well as per the characters you have typed, in case you are looking for a specific shop address or any other location as well. You do have the favorites and contacts as well, which you can specify, and if you have some location based data in those contacts, it will take you there without any issues. You just need to tap it here. And you can also share the My Route to Facebook as well. You have that functionality. You can edit the route. You can get an overview of the complete route which you are going to take. It will also tell you places where there is some construction going on, or if the traffic is kind of heavy, it will give you that signal with these lines, as you can see, which is also pretty good. You can avoid a specific road as well over here under the options, as you can see. So you do have a large number of options within this navigation application, and it works really well without any issues on your iPhone. We are not sure how it will work on an Android phone, but it should work fine. We did not face any issues as far as this application is concerned running it on iPhone. It does log the GPS pretty quickly in around 4 to in around 50 seconds, in between a minute basically, you will get the GPS location logged. There should not be any problem, and it does give you the other information as well in case you are going through location. So we have just crossed our destination, which we actually mapped on this just for the example. So it is now actually telling us that this is your location and you are going away from that location. You can see you can have more data as well. You can have places around cursor with which it will tell you the other places which are around your location wherever you are on the road. It will tell you the location of those places, the complete address, as also it will help you navigate to those locations in case you want to visit any of these. So it lists some temples over here, all the temples which are nearby, and some other locations as well. So in all, this application is pretty good. It is quite useful in day-to-day usage. It works really well in India. We have been using this application for some time now in Delhi, and it works really well. So that's all from us. Thanks for watching this video. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.